back for the night shift. Man, I'm out late tonight, man. It's 9:47 right now. I had to dash along the way to reserve my spot, and now I'm over here and they won't let me do earn by time. And you know what? I'm not even tripping. I did it 3 days, and I would gladly do it again right now, but I'm happy that the only option I got is earn by order. I was coming from St. Louis. I was coming from Florissant, actually, coming from my birdhouse, and I had made my way over here, but I was like, man, I don't want to lose my spot. I hit dash along the way. Well, come to find out, I'm on earn by order now. So hopefully I get an order. I'm sitting at a 44%. Woo-wee! It's been a struggle, guys. I mean, if y'all seen my last video, y'all know that I made no money for 4 hours. I made 38 bucks. Probably used half of that in gas. And I did not make it to 50% this earlier on my last one on day 3. So like I need 6 orders to get over 50%. And it's supposed to be super busy right now too. I don't know what's going on. Look, somebody please help me, because this is horrible right here. People have been telling me that it's gonna get better as I get over 50%, but please tell me something, man, because these orders is hurting my soul, man. Just a few of the orders, like, man, let me show you, let me just tell you a few of the screenshots that I've been having to deal with, man, while doing these orders. Like, guys, so I checked the schedule. They had a slot open, so I ended my dash and I took the slot. So I'm back on earn by time. Hopefully I get an order, because I sat here for about 5 minutes on earn by order and I didn't get nothing. But maybe that was a sign for me to really try to get back into earn by time, because I need something, man. I hope they send me something. That's something. I got a Taco Bell order, 5.3 miles, but look, I was not getting nothing on earn by order. Let's get it. I cannot believe it. I actually got an add-on, guys. I'm like in disbelief right now. It's been so long since I seen an add-on. I don't know what the hell to do. I'm happy as hell right now. Look, I'm taking that. I ain't never been so happy to see an add-on. I don't even know what I'm getting paid for it. Look, we about to slide. Look, I'm happy. That is perfect. Well, that was a far walk on that college campus, but we got it done. Now let's head to this second one. I think they don't show it until you get done with the second one. That is fine with me. You know what? I was happy when I got them 2 orders. You know what? It's still cool. I'm going for 50%. Look, that second one didn't have no tip on it. We got $11.61. The first customer, they was good. They tipped $3.50. But that damn Taco Bell order was fucking trash. Look at this shit. But you know what? Look, it's all good. Hell no, it's not all good. That order left me outside of my zone. But you know what? I ain't that far off. Check this out. I need 5 more and then we'll be over 50%. Hopefully I can get it, man. I'm scheduled all the way to fucking midnight, but shit, I'm all the way over here and I gotta fucking get back in the zone. See, just like that. I had every intention of going out and doing some earn by time this evening, this late night. Get a couple late night deliveries, man. I got that 1 stack and that's it. I went back over to where the restaurant sat, man. I sat over there for 20 minutes. It's 11 o'clock now. It is what it is. Look, hey, I gave it my best, and you know what, it be like that sometimes. I think I'm probably gonna be at what, like 46%? Hey, it's cool. Look, every day ain't gonna be a win. You know what I'm saying? Every day you going out, you got a challenge, you got a goal you trying to hit. Some days you're gonna come up flat. And you know, you gotta be cool with that. You gotta be able to deal with that too. But guess what? I'll be right back out tomorrow morning, trying to get this acceptance rate up over 50%. Not right at, I want to get it over 50% because that's my goal. Look, I'll catch you in the next one.